Okay, so right now I'm just at the bank making the what's up with it, guys? I'm Nike Simone for the ones who do not know. Here I am a princess of a city in whatever city that I'm in. Today's video is on what me and my Tyler do when we get a day out, and then yeah, if there's something interesting in, then okay. So our first stop is at the bank. That's what we're doing right now. We're gonna stop at the bank. We gotta go to the washer. We gotta go to Walgreens for me to get makeup, wash the clothes. We might stop at the library or the park, and we might go to the car wash. Not in that order, something like that. We do gotta go get breakfast, so we do gotta go get breakfast too. So we're gonna do that. Probably Master Chef as well, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Say hello.
Hello.
Who phone is for?
Daddy.
Okay.
Not for me.
Not so much stuff in the car like. On the first day of me making groceries, I don't never ever organize this stuff because I always be exhausted. So I'm not gonna organize. I'm just gonna put what goes in the freezer. In the freezer will go at the bottom and the bottom. And I might organize the juice. Okay, I might organize the juice, and then yeah, this is probably the only thing I organize. I probably organize the cakes and little stuff like that because they got a place for them to go. Other than that, this stuff is just gonna get thrown in the refrigerator. Period. What's up with everybody? I'm back. I am exhausted to the least, to say the least. We've made it home. I have all these groceries to put up. It's not that many, but it's a lot. I stopped at Walgreens, so I'm gonna show you what I got from Walgreens, and I'm also gonna show you what I got from Dollar General because it's just some of the makeup brushes as well. I don't know, like, oh, I hate grocerying, adulting. This one day I do that every week that I go out. Yes, baby. Yeah, baby. No, I don't hate groceries. I hate making groceries and have to put the groceries up. So we got some clothes in the dryer. If you don't know, I did also go to the washer. I'm gonna have maybe about four, 5 loads of clothes to dry. And so yeah, I gotta put this stuff up. Uno playing with his toys. He got a toy. I always get a toy. So yeah, let's do it. push it hard. You can't even find it. Okay, that's enough. Let it go, let it go, let it go. There you go. Okay, so it is, I think, like 10 o'clock. It's like 10 o'clock right now. I'm very, very much exhausted, as you already know. Right, but even though I'm exhausted, my day ain't over with. I still have to dye eggs. Yes, dye eggs. I know you're gonna say, bitch, Easter was last Sunday. Yes, of course, Easter was last Sunday, but my kid is 3, so he don't know what day Easter is actually on. So because it was cold, because we didn't have the yard cut, and other little stuff like that, we postponed Easter to this Sunday. I postponed Easter for my kid. I postponed Easter for my kid. He think tomorrow is Easter, so don't nobody else interfere with what I had to do to make sure my kid have a good Easter party. Okay, boom. So because we having an Easter party tomorrow, we have to dye eggs. So I have to dye eggs. I gotta blow up a balloon. I have to blow up balloons. I have to blow up a pool. That's it. That's the only thing we gotta do. Set up the little table decorations. I can do that in the morning. A lot of stuff I probably do in the morning besides dye the eggs. That's what we finna do right now. Yeah. Everything else I might do in the morning. This has been a complete mess, but it's working. This is set up. What's up, everybody? I'm Nike here. I'm just running here to let everybody know that I did go ahead and post another video of how these eggs turned out. That is the last thing I did that night. And I did everything else in the morning, which will be another video for his entire Easter day. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share it, send it to a friend, talk about it, do whatever it is y'all need to do. Thank you for all my subscribers, all my people, all my loyal people. Yeah, I love y'all, and thanks for watching my channel.